Hello, my name is Teacher S from South Africa. I am a certified English teacher who enjoys good things in life like hiking, camping, music, and poetry. I have helped students with business English in order to conduct effective meetings and presentations using proper dialogue. If you like socializing and need to improve your conversational skills, don't worry, I've got you covered. I have helped and can help you with your pronunciation, grammar, and useful phrases. If English is a challenge for you, then come to my classroom and let's practice, practice, practice. We will focus on your fluency and don't worry about mistakes. It's part of the process. So, if you enjoy relaxed and yet interactive and engaging lessons, then come on through and let's get the ball rolling. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.